Before I do any crawl in Screaming Frog, from an SEO point of view at least, one thing I do is I change how Screaming Frog renders pages to make it closer to how an initial Googlebot crawl will work. So to do that, I go into configuration here and I go into Spider, and then I go across to rendering. So rendering is talking about what we were just looking at, which is how Screaming Frog is going to handle things like JavaScript. So we do know that Google will eventually get around to processing JavaScript when it goes through its caffeine indexing system. But the initial crawl that Googlebot's doing, as we've just seen, is text only. So I actually like to set my Screaming Frog crawls initially to text only, because this is really what Google's going to be seeing on its first pass. And ideally, the website should be functional in this mode. It shouldn't really need JavaScript to have basic navigation and content functionality. So I change that to text only.